Welcome to this presentation on density functional theory-based indicators to predict the corrosion inhibition potentials of ceramic oxides in harsh corrosive media. This research was conducted by Anson Thomas et al. And published in 19 December 2022. Today, we'll explore the key findings and contributions of this important work. Let's begin by understanding the problem this research addresses. Good morning, everyone. Today, we're diving into a problem that silently eats away at our world: corrosion. It's not just a rusty car, it's a fundamental challenge for industries, infrastructure, and even our daily lives. Did you know that corrosion costs the global economy over $2.5 trillion annually? That's a staggering amount, equivalent to about 3.4% of the world's GDP. This invisible enemy weakens bridges, damages pipelines, and shortens the lifespan of countless products. Our research aims to find better ways to fight back, using advanced scientific tools to develop superior protective coatings for metals. So, how do we tackle such a complex problem? Imagine you want to know how sticky different types of glue are, but you can't actually touch them or make a mess. Instead, you build a super detailed computer simulation that lets you virtually test how well each glue sticks to various surfaces under different conditions. That's essentially what we did. We used a powerful computational technique called density functional theory, or DFT, to create a virtual chemistry lab. This allowed us to simulate how different ceramic oxide coatings, like alumina, titania, hafnia, and zirconia, interact with corrosive atoms such as chlorine, sulfur, and oxygen, without needing expensive and time-consuming real-world experiments. We analyzed their stickiness at an atomic level to predict their protective power. Our virtual experiments yielded some exciting and practical results. First, we successfully validated our computational model by accurately predicting the performance of these coatings in a saltwater or chlorine-rich environment, matching real-world observations. This was our big win, confirming our virtual lab works. Then, we applied this validated model to new, challenging conditions, sulfur-rich and oxygen-rich environments. We found that no single coating is a silver bullet. For example, zirconia and hafnia offered the best protection in saltwater. However, when faced with sulfur or oxygen, alumina emerged as a top performer, showing superior resistance. This means the best protection depends on the specific corrosive environment. So, why do these findings matter in the real world? This research is a game changer for how we develop and select materials. Instead of costly and lengthy trial and error experiments, engineers can now use our computational model to quickly screen and design the best corrosion-resistant coatings for specific applications. Imagine building a ship that needs protection from saltwater or a chemical plant exposed to sulfur. Our model allows us to virtually test and optimize coatings, saving immense amounts of time, money, and resources. It means we can create more durable products and safer infrastructure, tailored precisely to the challenges they'll face, making material science more efficient and innovative. In the next 5 years, this research will directly impact your daily life in several tangible ways. You'll see everyday items last longer, from the appliances in your home to the cars you drive, and even the electronics you use. All will benefit from more durable, corrosion-resistant coatings. Infrastructure like bridges and pipelines will become safer and require less maintenance, reducing taxes and public spending. This means fewer unexpected repairs and more reliable world around you. Ultimately, by extending the lifespan of products and infrastructure, this research contributes to a more sustainable future, reducing waste and the need for constant replacements. It's about building a more resilient and efficient world, one atom at a time.